Welcome to VPK Tip Fridays, where we turn your Friday into a Fri-Yay with tips and tricks. On the Florida Assessment of Student Thinking, also known as F.A.S.T, these are one of 4 reasons why you would mark a child as non-participant. Assessment inappropriate. If a student has an IEP or a 504 plan, they should receive a non-participant status. Number 2, failed practice. After 3 failed attempts, you may mark them failed practice. Number 3, non-English speaker. Non-English speaking students should be given the chance to attempt the practice test before giving the assessment. After 3 failed attempts, they should be marked non-English speaker. Lastly, number 4, not present during testing window is only for those students who were absent during the entire progress monitoring period.